Hey there, future Cornelians. Are you dreaming of attending one of the prestigious Ivy League institutions? Well, you're in the right place. Shay here with Quad Education, helping students get into their dream college. Now, let's begin by exploring the class profile at Cornell University. Understanding the student body can give you a glimpse into the vibrant community you'll be joining. Cornell University boasts a diverse and dynamic student body. In the most recent admission cycle, the university received over 60,000 applications for a limited number of spots. With an acceptance rate of just 11.8%, gaining admission to Cornell is highly competitive. Let's take a closer look at some statistics from the admitted class. Last year, Cornell welcomed a freshman class of around 3,200 students, hailing from all 50 states and over 120 countries. This reflects the university's commitment to creating a global community of learners. In terms of demographic breakdown, approximately 50% of admitted students identify as female and 50% identify as male. Furthermore, Cornell is dedicated to fostering diversity and inclusion, with 29% of admitted students identifying as underrepresented minorities. Admitted students have an average unweighted GPA of 4.04. While grades are important, Cornell also values other aspects of an applicant's profile. It's important to note that Cornell takes a holistic approach to admissions, considering not only academic achievements, but also a range of factors such as extracurricular involvement, leadership potential, and personal characteristics. Now, let's delve into the admission requirements that will pave your path to Cornell University. To increase your chances of getting into Cornell, you need to meet certain requirements. Let's explore the specifics. Choose a college. First and foremost, Cornell is composed of various colleges and schools, each with their own academic focus and admission process. Before applying, it's important to research the different colleges within Cornell and choose the one that aligns with your academic interests and goals. The 7 undergraduate colleges include the College of Agriculture and Life Sciences, College of Architecture, Art and Planning, College of Arts and Sciences, College of Engineering, School of Hotel Administration, College of Human Ecology, and School of Industrial and Labor Relations. The school report. Moving on, your school will need to submit a school report, which provides valuable information about your school's curriculum, grading scale, and academic opportunities. This report helps Cornell understand the context of your academic achievements within your school environment. Counselor recommendation. In addition to the school report, your counselor will provide a recommendation. This recommendation gives the admissions committee insight into your academic abilities, personal qualities, and potential for success at Cornell. Your counselor's recommendation can highlight your strengths, character, and potential contributions to the Cornell community. Teacher evaluations. Furthermore, you will be required to submit teacher evaluations, typically from 2 to 3 of your high school teachers. These evaluations provide additional perspectives on your academic potential and personal qualities. It's essential to choose teachers who you know well and can speak to your abilities, work ethic, and passion for learning. Mid-year report. Once you've submitted your application, your school will send a mid-year report to Cornell. This report includes updated grades and confirms that you are maintaining your academic performance. It's crucial to continue striving for academic excellence throughout your senior year. Standardized test scores. Cornell accepts both SAT and ACT scores. While standardized testing is an important component, it's worth noting that Cornell follows a holistic admissions process. This means they consider various factors, including your academic achievements, extracurricular involvement, essays, and recommendations. For the most recent class, the middle 50% range of SAT scores was 440 to 1550, and the middle 50% range of SAT composite scores was between 32 to 35. Additional submissions. Lastly, Cornell may require additional materials depending on the college or program you are applying to. Some programs may ask for portfolios, auditions, or even interviews. It's crucial to review the specific requirements for your chosen college within Cornell and submit any additional materials as necessary. Now, let's move on to Cornell essays. Crafting compelling essays is a crucial part of the application process. Let's delve into what Cornell looks for in your essays. Cornell requires you to complete the Common Application, which includes the Cornell-specific essay prompts. These prompts give you an opportunity to showcase your personal experiences, goals, and how they align with Cornell's academic programs. The essays provide a platform for you to demonstrate your unique perspectives, talents, and passions. Make sure you invest time and effort into crafting well-written, thoughtful, and authentic essays that highlight your personal journey and aspirations. Additionally, the interview is an important opportunity to make a strong impression. Here's what you need to do to prepare. First and foremost, research Cornell's history, values, academic programs, and extracurricular opportunities. Familiarize yourself with specific college or program you're applying to and be prepared to discuss why you're interested in it. This research will help you demonstrate your genuine enthusiasm and knowledge during the interview. Next, practice makes perfect. Conduct mock interviews with family, friends, or mentors. Practice articulating your thoughts clearly and concisely. Reflect on your experiences, goals, and why you believe Cornell is the right fit for you. Additionally, prepare thoughtful questions to ask the interviewer to demonstrate your genuine interest in Cornell and its programs. While it's impossible to predict the exact questions you'll be asked in a Cornell interview, here are some common questions that have been asked in the past. Why are you interested in Cornell University? What specific academic programs or majors are you interested in pursuing at Cornell? How do you plan to contribute to the Cornell community? Tell me about a challenging situation you faced and how you overcame it. Remember, these are just examples, and your actual interview questions may differ. The key is to be prepared, think critically, and showcase your passion, accomplishments, and future goals during the interview. Lastly, let's explore how to apply to Cornell. The application process can be both exciting and nerve-wracking. Here's what you need to know. Early decision versus regular decision. Cornell offers early decision and regular decision application options. Early decision is binding, meaning that if admitted, you must attend Cornell. Regular decision allows you to apply to multiple colleges and compare offers before making a final decision. Deadlines. Pay close attention to the application deadlines. Cornell has specific deadlines for both early decision and regular decision. Missing the deadlines can result in your application not being considered. Application components. The application typically includes personal information, academic history, extracurricular involvements, essays, recommendation letters, and standardized test scores. Be sure to provide accurate and complete information in each section. Proofread and review. Before submitting your application, proofread it thoroughly for any errors or inconsistencies. Having someone else, such as a teacher or a mentor, review your application to provide feedback and suggestions for improvement. Submitting the application. Once you're satisfied with your application, submit it electronically through the Common Application or Coalition application. Make sure you keep a copy for your records. Remember, the journey to Cornell is not solely defined by admission. It's a transformative experience that will shape your future. Embrace the process, stay focused, and maintain your passion for learning. That concludes today's videos on how to get into Cornell University. We hope you find these insights valuable and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with other aspiring Cornellians. Make sure you subscribe to our channel for the latest and greatest on the college application process. Best of luck!